Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about your Lab 5, which talks about 3D referencing and grouping. So, which is a requirement for Lab 5 assignment. So the first thing first, all you need to do is make sure you download every single file that is required, such as north side, south side, downtown, and summary worksheet. So you have 4 files, and make sure you have them downloaded on your hard drive um, or on your desktop somewhere. And you should know the location of it. So the next thing you want to do is open all 4 files from your hard drive or someplace. So let's do that. I got the summary sheet up. I'm going to go ahead and open north side. I'm going to go ahead and open downtown. Well, south side, doesn't matter. And then downtown. So all 4 files are open. I can go and see. I can take a look at each one of them to see if they are there or not. I go in the view and I can say switch windows, and I should see all those 4 files here. So let me go back to summary. Your summary sheet should be empty, something like this, which should have a chart analysis and documentation. Next thing you want to do, let's do this. Go in every worksheet north side and delete these sums. We're going to go ahead and group it, and we're going to calculate them. So let's go back again here. South side. And of course the downtown. Okay, once you remove those sums, you're ready to work with your assignment. So the next thing you want to do is bring all these worksheets here, right here, and put them all in summary worksheet. So your documentation should come first, worksheet tab, followed by your summary, and then you put north, south, and downtown worksheets between summary and chart analysis. So let's do that. For that, you're gonna have to go into, of course, you're gonna have to go into north side. Actually, it doesn't matter. Go in the summary. I would say stay in the summary, and then we'll work from there. Home, and then go format, click move or copy, and then you're gonna go and select let's go into north side. Let's do that. Sorry about that. That would be easier. And let's say go in the home and say format and say move or copy sheet, and then come here and select the summary sheet. You're in the north side. Make sure you're in the north side location to begin with. You want to make sure that you placed it north side before the chart analysis worksheet. So you highlight that. It says before sheet. Chart analysis goes there, and then say create a copy. And okay. So this is your summary sheet right here. And this is the north side that shows up now with your in your summary sheet. Do the same thing. Go this time to let's go back to south this time. Go in the home, format, copy, go in the summary sheet. This time you want it once again before chart analysis. Create a copy. Click OK. So you have summary followed by north side followed by south side, and then you have chart analysis. You got one more worksheet to move. Let's go back to downtown this time. Once you are in downtown, go in the home tab, format, move, copy, select the summary sheet here, and you want to move it once again before chart analysis. Create a copy. So now you have all 4 sheets here: summary sheet, north side, south side, downtown, and chart analysis. In this assignment, in this video, I'm just going to talk about grouping and 3D referencing. So let's start with this summary sheet. We need to fill these columns here. So first thing what we're going to do here is bring the sum of dine-in from all three worksheets. Now the dine-in is in B3. So what we have to do here is add these values in B3 from all three worksheets. 1, 2, and 3. So you have to add this 40,000, add this 45,000, and add this north side here. So how do we add this? What do we do here? We have to use the 3D referencing to do that. That's a requirement. So come here and say equals. In the summary sheet, equals, open the parentheses, and then you hold the shift key, press north side, and then click downtown. Oh wait, I made a mistake. It's not going to give me. Summary sheet, open the parentheses, and you come to north side. Hold the mouse key, hold the shift key, and click downtown. So you're summing the value of from north side to downtown. Make sure you enter the column number. If you don't enter the column, it doesn't know where it wants the where would it get the money, the amount from. And we're looking at only B3 column. Close the parentheses and press enter. You should see 97,000 here. I'll do it again. Delete, equals, sum, open the parentheses, click north side, hold the shift key and click downtown. And then right here, enter B3. Now all you do is copy and paste, or you can just fill in. Bring your mouse here until it becomes a plus sign. Hold the mouse key, drag it down here. That's going to give you the sum this way. And then leave it highlighted until, and then point the mouse until it becomes a plus sign, and drag it to the right. So you're done with that part. Now you come here and we're gonna have to put the sum here. So say sum. Oops, you gotta begin with equals. You go in the summary sheet. Equals sum sum. Open the parentheses. Before you do that, you go here and say equal, and then you hold the shift key here. Hold the north side. Sorry, click north side. Hold the shift key, click south side, click downtown. Come back to summary sheet and say equals sum. Open the parentheses and select these values. Close the parentheses, press enter, and you get 64. Well, you know what I did? Let me do this again. Sorry about that. Let me just remove everything. Okay, come to summary sheet and hold the shift key down. Well, before you do that, click north side. Now hold the shift key and click south side and click downtown. Now let the shift key, you can let it go. Go back to summary sheet. Equals sum. Open the parentheses. Select all these. Close the parentheses. Now if you go in the north side, you should, oh it didn't, yeah. You see this? Downtown and some, for some reason it didn't copy. Hold on, let me do this again. Okay, come here, equals sum. Well, before you enter the sum, you make sure you're in the summary worksheet. Click north side, hold the shift key, click south side and click downtown. What you have done is group. You should see that it should say group here up top right here. Now come back to summary and say equals sum. Open the parentheses. Select all. you get 277,000, and if you go on the north side, it didn't do that. Hang on a second again. Okay, I think I know what I was doing. Hold the shift key now and then select, make sure they are grouped now. There you go. Make sure you click on summary and then hold the shift key and then click the summary. Now come back to summary. You can release the shift key, equals SUM, open the parentheses. Now I see that. Okay, I got it. I was selecting that. Let me do this again. Now what happens if I delete this here? All those values will be gone because I have grouped them. Okay, this is again grouped here. Let's go back to the summary sheet again and say equals SUM, open the parentheses. See that? So now that you have grouped them and you have summed them, you can go back to summary and highlight this, and boom. So you summed all of them. Now let's do this here. Sum of these dine in all the way. Let me just do from the scratch. You come here, go to the summary sheet, click here, hold the shift key now, and then click north, click south, and click downtown. Go back to the summary sheet again. You can let go the shift key, equals SUM, open the parentheses. $318,000. So if you go on the north side, you should see the sum for each of these. And then you can just come here and drag it down. There you go. Actually, I can go down further. So that's the sum right there. So you are done with this part here. As a matter of fact, you have accomplished a pretty useful skill today. This is something that you should use it even for your personal use.